y'all, so today we're going to be making shortbread cookies. For this, it is a really simple recipe. We only have some powdered sugar, some butter, some vanilla extract, some salt, and some flour. So let's get to working on it. So we're going to start with 1.25 cups of room temperature softened butter. A couple pinches of salt. Tablespoon of vanilla extract. We got 1 cup of powdered sugar. We have 3 cups of flour. Now we're gonna mix this. We don't want to overmix this, we just want to get everything combined. Now our butter was still it wasn't quite warm enough, so it's a little crumbly, but that's all right. We can work with that. But we're gonna take some saran wrap. Then we're gonna take our cookie dough. We're gonna put it on our saran wrap. Now we're just going to kind of form this into a brick. Once we have our brick made, we're going to go ahead and wrap this up. And if you want to, once it's wrapped, you can square it out a little better if you want. But we're going to throw this in the freezer for 30 minutes to an hour, 45 minutes to an hour, until it firms up. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all. It's been about an hour. Our brick has quietly firmed up. So now we're just going to take a knife and slice these in about 1/2 inch thick slices. And then I'm also placing these on a pre-greased baking sheet. So now we're just going to take a fork and poke some holes. Now we have our oven preheated at 350 degrees. We're going to throw these in there for 10 minutes. Alright, y'all, so I cooked mine for about 14 minutes. I may have cut them a little on the thicker side, so mine cooked for 14 minutes. But now I have them on a cooling rack, and all we gotta let them do is cool down, and then we can enjoy. So if you like this recipe and you want to see more like it, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below, as we are on the road to 500 subscribers. And until next time, keep on cooking on.